Hello again. As predicted, Tropical Cyclone Pam is a nasty beast, one of the worst the Pacific has seen. She is now heading down our way. Currently still a Category 5 storm. She will move out of the tropics as a Category 4. By the time she arrives northeast of the North Island late tomorrow, she will have been downgraded to a Category 3. Still a fierce storm. Back here at home today, mostly fine. High pressure over us, cloud over central areas here, making a southerly change. And this broad area of cloud here is the next cold front. It's pushing eastwards over the Southern Ocean. And just up here, just coming into view, the outflow from Tropical Cyclone Pam. Well, the ridge tries to hang in there tomorrow, but it's forced to retreat as Tropical Cyclone Pam moves closer. Lots of isobars, so lots of wind. You can see the isobars starting to tighten up over the North Island. The cold front approaches the lower South Island. We're expecting it to make landfall in the evening. So as Tropical Cyclone Pam heads south, the southeasterly in the north will strengthen from Northland all the way down to Gisborne, reaching gale at times. Scattered morning rain in the north, some drizzle for Hawke's Bay and Gisborne, and then the rain sweeping in, spreading as far south as Taihape. Some heavy falls in the north and east from evening. The southeasterly picking up through Cook Strait later in the day. So we do have warnings in place for heavy rain and severe gales for these northeastern areas. Torrential falls up in the ranges and potentially damaging gusts of up to 160 kilometres an hour in the eastern Bay of Plenty. And just one notch down from a warning, we have a watch for severe gales in all of these areas here, and heavy rain eastern Northland down through to Hawke's Bay. And we also need to watch for dangerous coastal conditions over the north and east of the North Island. Heavy swells and big waves. Quieter though over the South Island, fine in most places after morning cloud burns off. Not much wind, but we've got that approaching front that will deliver drizzle to Fiordland and then a late southerly change and rain to both Southland and Fiordland. Mostly fine in the south, just a few cloudy spells, and then the southerly change brings evening rain to Invercargill. Morning drizzle, then rain after lunch. Milford Sound, fine day with light winds further north, highs of 22. It'll be fine in the east, just some areas of cloud in the morning and evening. Northeasterly winds, warm high of 25 for Blenheim. Not too bad over the lower north, high cloud increases in the evening. East to southeast winds, highs in the mid-20s. Drizzle turns to rain in the evening in Hawke's Bay. Take a coat if you're heading along to the Cricket and Napier. Afternoon rain and a strengthening southeasterly for Gisborne. Starts out okay through here, but the southeasterly will strengthen in Tokoroa and Whakatane. Rain sweeps in from the afternoon, reaching Taupō in the evening. And rain develops in the north. We are expecting heavy downpours by evening. Southeasterly strengthens as the storm moves closer. Also morning cloud and then a fine day for Dunedin, up to 19 tomorrow. Fine in Christchurch, just a few scraps of morning and evening cloud, 23 the high with a fresh northeasterly. Fine in Wellington after morning cloud clears, warm high 24, southerly wind, then high cloud for the evening. Okay for starters in Hamilton, just some cloudy spells. Rain develops in the afternoon, then gets heavier at night. Southeasterly will strengthen in the evening. You're up to 24. Make the most of the mainly fine morning in Tauranga. Rain develops in the afternoon, gets heavier in the evening as the southeasterly strengthens. Your high 24. Isolated showers first up for Auckland, then rain developing in the afternoon with heavy falls in the evening. Southeasterly strengthening, rising to gale in the east in the evening. Sacred Heart College in Glendowie has its big annual fair tomorrow from 9 a.m. They tell me rain, hail or shine, so hopefully the rough stuff will hold off until it finishes. Tropical Cyclone Nathan has moved offshore into the Coral Sea, so just some showers tomorrow for Cairns, showers for Perth, ex-Tropical Cyclone Olsen moving away to the south. Rain clouds over the tropics, more thundery falls for Vanuatu. Tropical Cyclone Pam on its southeastwards track down towards us. So on Monday, the remains of Pam centred near East Cape. Rain with heavy falls in the east of the North Island, easing to showers over the northern half. Southerly gales about the Bay of Plenty and Gisborne. Rain or showers for the south and east of the South Island. The storm starts to move away on Tuesday. Fine in the west of the South Island. More showers for most other places. Southerly gales about Wellington and Wairarapa easing. On Wednesday, a few more showers around, but looking good in the west of the South Island. Well, that's your weather up to date. Have a very good evening.